Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today again I am going to continue lesson 5 going to the village. In the previous video I have already given you the word meanings of difficult words. Today I am going to explain you about the lesson. In the lesson we will know about the village life. As you all know that the life of the village and the city life is very different. In the villages we can see lots of greenery every places, and the people have different lifestyles. Their livings are different, and the roofs of villagers, somewhere we find thatched roof and somewhere we find tiled roof, and the most of the cultivations are farming. So, in this lesson, we will know all about this. So, let us start the lesson and know about it. Lesson 5 Going to the village. Nitya and Aditi are going to visit their uncle and aunt who live in village. They are traveling with their parents. Nitya is very excited and keep glancing out of train window. She had never seen to a village before. Nitya and Aditi, they are the two girls. As you can see in the picture, also there are two girls and their parents, and they are traveling in the train. They were going to the village to their uncle and aunt house, and Nitya, the girl, was very excited to visit to the village because she has never seen the village before. So they are visiting to the village. Nitya, how much longer? I am waiting to play with the clays and feed the dogs. Aditi, do you think they have rabbit there? Mother, there were no rabbit when I was a child. There was a large field where you can play with your cousins. Nitya asked a question that how much time it will take to visit to the village, because I am very excited, very eager to play with calf and to feed the ducks also. And Aditi also said that do you think they have the rabbit there? Means in the villages we can find the rabbit. So the mother answered him that no, there were no rabbits, because when I was a child, there were the large field where we play with our cousins. Cousins means your uncle or aunt children. Aditi, and what do Uncle Naresh and Auntie Rujuta do? Mother, they work on the farm, they grow sugar cane and rice, and Rujuta auntie also run the girls' school. It means that Aditi asked a question with his mother that what is the occupation of his uncle and aunt, whose name were Naresh and Rujuta. Then his mother answered him that they work on the farm, they grow sugar cane and rice, and the Rujuta auntie also run the girls' school. That means she also have a school in the village. Father, they started it last year so that the girls in the village can study in the school nearby. Sometimes, when it is school, they have their classes under a huge banyan tree. The father also told them that his aunt started the school last year, that is a girls' school, because the people of the villages did not allow the girls to study far away. So she started the girls' school in the village so that the girls can study in the school nearby. And also when in the winter season it is very cold, the children have to take their classes under a huge banyan trees, which is also harmful for them. Nitya, I do love to make friends with all of them. Father, looks like our station is just a few minutes away. Aditi, how will we reach the farm? Are there autos and taxis to take us there? After listening the word of the father, Nitya said that she will love to make the friends there and she will enjoy there. And then suddenly his father said that our station is coming nearby and in few minutes we will reach there. So then Aditi asked a question that to reach the farm, if there is any taxi or auto, means through which vehicle we will go to the farm. Father, no, there are buses. Maybe your uncle and aunt will bring their tractor. We can ride on it to the village. Nitya, I wonder what kind of houses they live in. It means that when Aditi asked the question to his father that how we will reach the farm, then his father gave the answer that in the villages there is no auto and taxis, but there are buses. But their uncle and aunt will come to take us with a tractor, so we will reach to the village. Means we will ride to the village on tractor. And again Nitya asked the question that I wonder what kind of houses the people live in the village, means how different their houses are from the city's houses. Mother, the house has trees all around it and a courtyard in the center. There is a well at the back. When we were younger, we used to sit under the trees at night. Grandpa would tell us stories. The people of village would gather to listen to the stories. Sometimes when it was very hot, we would sleep under the trees. They smelled so good and it felt so cool. It means that when Nitya asked his mother about the village houses, his mother gave the answer that the village houses are surrounded by many trees, because the village people love to plant more and more trees, and their courtyard means angan is in the center, in the middle of the house, and there is a well at the back. In the every village houses there is a well, because they need well for waters and for cultivation of plant also, so they want a well also. And when she was young, she used to sit at night under the tree where his grandpa used to tell them the stories, and the people of the village also come to their that tree to listen the stories of his grandfather. And sometime when it was hot, because in the villages there is the electricity problem, so the when it is very hot, so the children like to sleep under the tree, and it smells so good and it feels so cool, because it is a fresh air which make them cool. So it is the whole life of village. Aditi, the houses in the city are usually small. Mother, well, many houses in the village are small too. Some of them have a thatched roof, some houses are big and have tiled roof. Father, the train is about to stop at our station. Come pick up the bags and move toward the exit. Remember, it will stop here for just 2 minutes. The Aditi said that the houses in the city are very small, but his mother said that in the houses in the village are small too, and some of their roof were thatched. Thatched means the roof which is made of straw, and that means ghaspul. So some of the houses roof are made with a thatched roof, and some of the houses are big and have tiled roof. Tiled means pakki chhat, so they have the tiled roof. So the father said that the train is about to reach the station, so pick their bags and move toward the exit. Exit means to leave the trains, because the train stop for only just for 2 minutes. The family get off at the station. The platform is small and almost empty. Nitya, Uncle Naresh, Auntie Rajita. Uncle, welcome. Did you have a comfortable journey? Aditi, we did. Auntie, come this way. The tractor is parked at the end of the station. It means that now the family is at the station, and the platform is small and empty. Nitya show her uncle Naresh and auntie Rajuta's uncle welcome them that and ask them did they have the comfortable journey, means any problem in journey. Then Aditi say no, we don't have. Now auntie said that. Come this way, and we have parked the tractor at the end of the station, and so let's move towards that, and we will go at the home. Nitya, will you drive the tractor, auntie? Auntie, why not? Would you, Aditi, like to sit beside me in the front? In Nitya, when Nitya showed that his aunt is going to drive the tractor, she was so surprised and asked that, Auntie, you will drive? Then Auntie said, yes, I am going to drive. And if you want to like to sit in the front, so sit beside me, so that you will have the fun. Nitya, yes, we would. Aditi, what fun! Will the tractor take us through the field? So Nitya said that yes, he would like to sit in the front, and Aditi said that okay, it will be more fun if the tractor also go through the field. He asked his aunt that can the tractor go through the field? Uncle, no, it might spoil the crops. However, you can see the field as we drive by. So his uncle, it means that his uncle gave the answer that no, the tractor cannot go through the field because in the village the farmers grow their crops, and if we go through the field, then it all the crops will spoil, mean destroy. So we cannot go through that way. But while driving, you can see all the fields. Okay, student, this is the whole story of Nitya and Aditi and how they enjoyed their visit to the village. So and enjoyed and have a lots of fun. So thank you for today's class.